I'm going to show you exactly how to open your Canva design using another team account with a simple step-by-step method that makes switching teams easy and avoids confusion even if you have never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and open the design you want to access using another team. Once the design loads, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the menu icon with 3 lines to open the menu tab. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the menu where you will see your profile picture. Click on it and you will see the team you are currently working in. Click on the team name and Canva will show you all the other team accounts you are part of. Now select the team account you want to use to open the design. Once you do this, Canva will redirect you to a page where you need to request access from the design owner, which is your first account. Click Request Access, and Canva will send an email to the account associated with the original team. Go to that email and confirm the access request. After confirming, return to the Requesting tab in Canva and refresh the page. You will now automatically have access to the design using your second team account. If you want to double check, open the left menu again and confirm that you are currently working under the correct team account. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have successfully opened your Canva design using another team account in a quick and simple way. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.